Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make restaurant quality foods or better. From my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block we got potatoes. And with these potatoes, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Cajun smothered potatoes. Inspired by MACK'S Kitchen. Alright? Anyway, alright, I got some Parmesan and Romano right here. You're just going to dust it at the end. We're going to need some butter right here. This is unsalted butter. You're going to need you a couple of cloves of garlic. And yes, since my kids is gone, I'm going to use an onion. That's why I'm excited. Okay, I'm going to use that whole onion. No, I'm going to use the whole onion. Anyway, this is some Zatarin Creole seasoning right here. Alright. So we're going to be using some of that in there. I got some black pepper. I need to get some more of that in a minute. And I got some parsley flakes right here. Alright, and then I'll probably sprinkle a little salt in there. That's why I don't really have it out here, but I'm going to be using pink sea salt. If you got any type of salt that you want to use, feel free to use your brand of salt. Alright, I have a knife and a mini slicer right here, Madeline or whatever you want to call it. So what we're going to do, we're just going to slice these up. This time I ain't going to cut myself. Hopefully not. So yeah, we're just going to slice these up. If I can get these things in here. And it helps if you have something to actually put it in. I'm not going to worry about them looking so pretty or whatever. So yeah. So let me get something to put that in. I use this bowl right here. Kind of like put those up in there. Alright. Go on to the next one. See, that's how I cut myself last time. I wasn't using this thing. You know. See what I'm saying? Yeah, I don't go all the way through sometimes. So, but we will eventually get us another one. A professional one. This was a cheap one. This was about 10 bucks or something. This the little mini slicer thing right here. If you want them to be super thin or whatever. See, this is what I was doing, guys. I'm not going to go all the way down. I was taking it like this and slicing it like this. And I was doing okay. It was effective, but what happened was I got down to the end and I was trying to get the last little bit out. And that's where I went wrong at. Yeah, I'm going to get me another one. Eventually one day. Yeah, the bottom keep coming out and all that crazy stuff. I ain't got time for that. I could have did better with just the knife. So the knife is just pretty much for the onion. See how thick that one is right here? So I'll take this knife and just cut that up like that. If you got a knife, guys, you can just go like this. I was just trying to get them pretty much even, the same size. I could have did it without the Madeline or whatever, but it happens. So, alright guys, we can go ahead and finish this up and then take you guys over there in the kitchen where we're going to be frying this stuff up in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. I got 2 tablespoons of oil in here. This is olive oil. I'm just gonna get a little piece of this butter, put in there. Like a tablespoon. Well, we go with teaspoon. Yeah. Got the big spatula out today. Normally my barbecue on spatula. So yeah, we're gonna put that around here. We're gonna come in with our onion. I'm gonna use half of the onion first and half of the garlic. Like that. Half of the garlic. And take these tomatoes. We could have stirred them around a little bit first up. Spread it out. I'm cooking it on medium now. Alright. Take these potatoes. Slice them in there. You can actually just slide the whole bowl if you want to, but I'm trying to get less water on it. So yeah, do go check out Mack's Kitchen and Grill. That man is he good at what he do, I tell you that. Hopefully one day we're gonna do a collaboration. So we can get that going. We're going to be doing some big things in the near future, guys. So please go check him out. There's a brother from another mother. No doubt about it. I've been rocking with him for at least about 2 years. Since I started YouTube pretty much. Alright guys, I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of salt on there. My cayenne pepper. Sprinkle a little bit of that on there. So I can get it going. There we go. So we're going to sprinkle it again. Black pepper. There we go. Alright. So we're going to come in with our other onions and stuff. Yep, I like to put mine on there in layers. It's all gonna get flipped around regardless, but I like to cook mine in layers like that. Feel free to do it the way you want to do it. But just like trust me, if you do it the way I'm doing it, you're gonna love it. Some of this garlic. Yep. There we go. That. Take the rest of these, put them on top. Now I don't have a lid big enough to cover this up, so I had to rig up with some stuff. Alright, there's that and that. A little bit more of this seasoning. You want to extra spicy, then put more on there. Black pepper. I love black pepper. I'm sorry, I had that video up too many times. I love black pepper. Which I do, I ain't gonna lie to you. I be wanting to put a whole bunch of it on there. Now guys, I don't have a lot of seasoning right now, but I think put a little bit of garlic powder on there. just for an extra kick. I love garlic as well, and it's very healthy for you. Okay, guys, this is what we're gonna do. We're just gonna put this on medium low, and I made up me a little, raise me a little lid up, like so. And I'm just gonna put this on top of it, just like that. We're gonna let that cook for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna flip it. No, not 15 minutes, 7 minutes, then I'm gonna flip it, okay? You guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm just going to flip this again. So I'm taking like every about 3 minutes, then I flip it. Now, there's different ways you can do this. The onions, the moisture from the onions and all that stuff will allow these potatoes to be smothered. So if you don't want them too brown, then I advise you put a little water or something in there, okay? So, I'm going to put a little bit of water in mine. Go on the side of it. Hence the word smothered. And we'll put this lid on there and let it cook. And I'll be back. You guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Just took the lid off of there. You just want to get them brown at this point till they're done. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and let this sit and rest, and I'll serve it up. So you guys, listen, hold on. You go ahead and put some of this Parmesan on it. Just a little crown. And we throw a little bit of parsley on there. Turn that off. Let this rest up, guys. And serve it up to you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I am back. There it is right here. Cajun smothered potatoes. That's how that looks. So you guys, make sure you tune in to the videos, because I will be doing a questionnaire coming up soon based on my videos, and there will be 3 winners. Okay, it's gonna be first, second, and third winner. All right. So saying that to say this, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up, and make sure you check out Mack Kitchen and Grill. You heard me. And please give me a like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And please, that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time on VELDOGGS Kitchen. I'll see you in a minute.